Okay, now we get into more of the main part of our discussion, talking about quadratics. And the next three terms that we've got are going to be rather similar, but one word's going to change each time, which means that we've got subtle changes in what we're actually showing and discussing. So the first one, a quadratic expression. Remember back from earlier discussions, maybe even all the way back to Algebra 1, an expression is a mathematical phrase. There's no equal sign. It's not a complete sentence. So a quadratic is something that has degree 2 polynomial. So we've got a quadratic, we've got a degree 2 polynomial, we've got an expression, so no equal sign. So maybe something like 5x squared plus 3x plus 7. And I've already put that in standard form, highest degree of 2, then we've got a degree of 1, and finally we've got our constant. Our next topic is a quadratic equation. So now we're going to take those quadratic expressions, maybe 13x squared plus 15x minus 6, but we're going to make it an equation out of it. So we're going to say equals, and we'll make it equal to y. So just adding that last part, that other side, to our equation. And finally, we're going to talk about, oops, wrong way, quadratic functions. So a quadratic function, it may start as a quadratic equation, but remember, a function for each input in the domain, there's exactly one output. So we're just kind of emphasizing that idea that when we've got a quadratic, when we choose a value for x and plug it into a quadratic equation, we should get out one output for that.